Hi, I've just arrived in Dehradun in my hotel room and I'm very tired and hungry also. But I just wanted to share one thought that came to my mind. Today, during the day, when I was talking to one of my colleagues to whom I met after a long time, we were discussing some ideas and he was telling me that he has been thinking about starting his own business, and he has even thought of the whole plan and the name of the business, very decent and nice name, and he has also checked the domain which was available. The domain is available, but he did not mention that did he register it or not. And the moment he was telling me all this, he said, from January I will start working on this. So this sentence, that since from January I will start working on this, struck me. I felt that what is so special about the January month that he will start from January? Why not today? What is stopping him? So there may be some valid reason, there may not be some valid reason. I do not know. I did not ask him. But the point that I'm trying to share here is, aren't we all pushing our dreams somehow to some January? Are we all not habitual of doing this kind of procrastination? कि January से करूँगा, next month से करूँगा, next year से करूँगा. All those procrastination we keep doing. Now my question to you is, why do we do it? Why do we procrastinate like this when we have all the planning in place? Still we do not take action. The answer is that our brain is designed to do that. See, our brain has primarily two functions. One is to protect us and second is to avoid pain. So whenever we decide to do something which is not normal, which is outside our comfort zone, our brain starts to work against us, our plannings. So it will give you some resistance, and that resistance many times is in form of procrastination. So your brain starts to trick you, saying that January se karunga, kal se karunga, agle hafte se karunga. All those things are resistance talking to you. Your brain is tricking you. The way to beat resistance is start taking the smallest possible action right now. If you start taking the smallest possible action right now, your resistance get a beating and then it weakens, and that is how you keep doing things. Because the beginning of any project is the most difficult step is the beginning. Once you begin, no matter how small step it is, you will get going. Otherwise, you will keep thinking and this procrastination will keep tricking you. So whenever you think कि January से करूँगा or next month से करूँगा, tell yourself, let me take the smallest possible action right now and see what happens. I hope you got my message. Thank you for sharing your time and space with me. You were with Rajesh Rai.